Let's talk about a $5 million ad that turned into one of Pepsi's most criticized marketing moments. In 2017, Pepsi released a high-budget commercial starring Kendall Jenner. It was intended, according to Pepsi's public statement, to project a message of unity and peace. Instead, the reaction from many viewers was critical, with some saying it trivialized serious social justice movements. I'm Emmagness, a strategic marketing consultant and creator of the blind spot diagnostic system. Today, we're unpacking what happened, the blind spots that may have contributed to the backlash, and the lessons you can apply to avoid similar outcomes. The ad, Leave for Now, showed Kendall walking off a modeling set to join a protest, ending with her offering a police officer a Pepsi. The ad's visuals were compared by some to real-life moments of protest, including the widely recognized image of Aisha Evans in Baton Rouge, which showed a woman standing peacefully before police in riot gear. Critics felt that without real-life context, the scene in the Pepsi ad risked minimizing the seriousness and risks involved in real protests. Public reaction was immediate. On social media, users expressed frustration that the ad seemed out of touch with the issues it referenced. Bernice King, daughter of Martin Luther King Jr., posted on Twitter, now X, "If only Daddy would have known about the power of Pepsi." Within 24 hours, Pepsi removed the ad and released an apology stating, "Clearly we missed the mark and we apologize." From a strategy perspective, several factors may have contributed to this outcome. The first one, limited diversity in decision making. Media reports indicated the ad was developed in-house. When decision-making teams share similar perspectives, it can be harder to identify potential audience concerns. Misreading the cultural moment was a second one. The ad adopted protest imagery, but did not appear to engage with the real-life issues those protests addressed. And the choice of the messenger was maybe globally recognized, but not associated with activism, which may have limited credibility for the message. There's also lack of cultural context. Without a deeper narrative framing, the ad risked appearing disconnected from the lived realities of protests. There's also no external review process, because there's no public record of community consultation or cultural review before release, a step that may have provided critical feedback. Now, imagine if they'd consulted Bernice. This could have turned out a whole lot different. If you're leading a brand, here are 5 lessons to consider. Include diverse perspectives early in the design and decision-making process. Align campaigns with causes your organization genuinely supports. Choose spokespersons whose backgrounds align with the message. Respect the context of the themes you reference. And please, seek external feedback before launch, especially on social sensitive content. Before launching any campaign, ask, does this message resonate with my intended audience? Is it consistent with my brand's values and history? Have I considered how it might be received by those outside my immediate circle? Pepsi's Leave for Now ad remains a high-profile example of how creative execution can fall short when strategy and cultural awareness are not fully aligned. Blind spots aren't always obvious, but identifying them before launch can protect your brand's credibility and long-term relationship with your audience. That's exactly why I created the blind spot diagnostic system, to help brands uncover misalignment before it turns into missed revenue, reputational damage, and public backlash. If you'd like to see where your marketing stands, you can start with the blind spot audit. It's free and the link is below.